Hey everyone! Today we are going to install Git in our Mac operating system. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. Let's continue to our video. So first, head over to a browser, just type install Git, go to this first link. See, it has already detected our operating system. Download macOS in this way. If you download this, then you have to go and set the paths and everything. What we will do, just click on this macOS and we are going to install through Homebrew. So if you haven't installed Homebrew, just click on it and see this Homebrew command will be open. What you have to do, just copy this command and run it in your terminal. So let's go to terminal. In the terminal window, just paste this command and press enter. Give your Mac password. After this, it will ask you to install the Xcode command line tools, so just simply press enter. This will take some time as it will download some software. It will be depending on the speed of the internet you have.
One eternity later.
So let's just check if we have Brew installed or not. Now what they're saying, just run brew help. Now you can see this has been installed successfully. Now we can go and install Git in our operating system. So we will go and just copy this command and paste it in our terminal. It will automatically fetch the latest version of Git in our system and download it for us. Now you can see Git has been successfully set up in our system. This is the latest version we have installed in Mac system. So in this video, what we have done basically, we have set up Homebrew. Homebrew helps us to install software with just the command line. You can install it for other software also. Now we have set up Git. In the future videos, we will see how we can do some actions on Git. And that's all for this video.